students, today we are going to do a new topic, that is le pronoms sujets. So let's go. We are doing pronoms sujets. So in English this is called subject pronoun. So what are subject pronouns in French? We'll see je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. So you'll say this il, the pronunciation is same. So I'll tell you what is the difference between this il and this il. Now let's see the meaning of je. It says I. Tu means you. Il means he. Elle means she. Nous means we. Vous means you. Now again we have one you here and the second you here. So this you is used when we have a singular person, when we talk about a single person. And this you is used when we talk about a plural. So when we have many people, then we use you, plural, that is vous. Now this il means they. But always remember, this is your masculine plural. Elle, this is again they, but this one is feminine plural. So I'll repeat all the words again. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. These two are plural. So when we'll see, this is plural and all these subjects are singular. This one is plural. So you'll say, ma'am, these are your subject pronouns. One more thing I want to add here. I'll erase this and add the other thing. Now let us see, if I give you Mary, you say, ma'am, how do I identify the subject here? So students, this is feminine. How will I change it? I will write it as she. How do we write she in French? This becomes elle. Now, if I write Manuel, what do you mean by Manuel? Manuel is a name. This is a masculine name. If I want to translate it, can I write it as he? And he in French will be il. So, Mary, singular person, she changes to elle. Manuel, he changes to il. Now, let's suppose if we have Mary, a Sophie. What do I write here? Mary is feminine, Sophie is feminine. That means these are two people. So two people means this is plural. So we are going to write L. This is feminine plural. Always remember, we are going to write two females, L plural. Now let's suppose if we have Manuel, a Ram, then this is masculine, this is also masculine, these are two people. That means I'm going to write the subject pronoun in plural. This means they, and this was masculine plural. Now the question is, let's suppose if we have a feminine person and Mark. Now you'll say, ma'am, this is feminine and this is masculine. What do I write here? So always remember, when we have masculine and feminine both, we are going to write il plural. The gender will be masculine plural when we have many males and many females. So let's see the examples. We have already done ER verbs. So what we'll do is, we'll identify the verb here. What will I identify? I'll identify here, it is ending with ONS. Here it is ending with EZ. Here it is ending with ES. Here it is ending with E. Here it is ending with ENT. So what I'll do, ONS is used with nu. This is simple. We'll see the verb. The ending of the verb tells you which subject do we write. So here it is ending with EZ. So I know that I have to write VU here. With ES we always write TU. With E we have option of writing IL, L, even we have an option of writing J. Now the ending is ENT here, so I have an option of writing IL, L plural. So you can see as per the ending you can identify the subject. Thank you. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe my channel and comment below.